Hey guys, Paul here. Welcome back to the channel. So last time I tried to use the light show on the new update, holiday update, and I was trying in the garage. So I didn't realize when I did put the car out in front of the garage and close the garage, and then I realized that the car actually projected out Tesla logo with the headlight. So let's check it out again. I'll show you how it projected the logo from the headlight. Let's go. So the same procedure here. You go to toy box and then hit the light show, and I'll turn down the volume because it's kind of late here, so probably just that loud. And then I'm gonna close the garage so the light can be projected on the garage door, and then we will get out. And wait for it to start. There you go. I will focus on the front so we can see it. There you go. As you can see, it projected Tesla logo in the front with, I think it was using the headlights doing that. Let me see. And one more thing I realized when I park outside, you see the charging port is turning into a rainbow color right there. So as you can see, it projected out the logos on both sides of the headlights. I wasn't sure which part of the headlight it was using to project the logo. Maybe it could only use for a newer version, which my car was 2021. It's really cool functions for Tesla car to be able to do this, because in the future, if they could use the headlight to project it out Tesla logo, that means they can use the headlight to project it out different kinds of shapes. So I think that is really cool discovery. Thanks again for watching, and if you like the video, please click like and subscribe for future content. See you on the next video. Bye.